Hello, welcome to Norma's Educational Portfolio. This shows my syllabus for this class and some resources that you can use. This is my library field experience. It was very rewarding and I will continue to help out in the library and with reading around the school. This shows my reading blog, and you can see Wix was used in the background. We read different books, 8 different books, different genres. This is the self-selected library. I didn't even know we could do this. This was a very fun project. The family literacy backpack. It took a while to get everything together. You see the backpack in the background. This was the journal that was given to the family, and I'll show you the books that were in there. Here they are. Had to do with how food brings families and friends together. The author study, we got to do this together as a group. Our author was Eric Carle. And here are some activities that went with that in the reflection. And the reader response blog and the virtual discussions went together. We would discuss them as a group. It was very confusing at first because none of us had used Cisco WebEx. Once we got the hang of it, it made more sense. These are 2 recordings, and here are some assignments that I'm sharing that we did throughout the semester. The last assignment was my absolute favorite, and it was also the most challenging. We had to do a book trailer. It was challenging we had to put it together, and overall this was my favorite semester at University of La Verne. Thank you for joining.